Mariela Iglesias, teacher 2. MC Javines, teacher 3. Lourdes C. Jordan, teacher 3. Rinaldo Capitao, teacher 1. Elisa Osenia, teacher 1. Andoniel Ortiz, teacher 1. Araceli Peligro, LJUP teacher. Teresina Riños, teacher 1. Filomena G. Salas, LJUP teacher. Maria Lourdes Villanueva, administrative aide. Angelito Bayron, security guard. And we have Glenn Goldchannel, security guard. Friends, ladies and gentlemen, let's put our hands together. The Cluster A teachers.
Coming up, ladies and gentlemen, our faculty members from Cluster 9, Duero National High School. Cluster 9 is headed by the understanding and loving head teacher, Mr. Nestor D. Mantivo. We have Elsie Q. Fajardo, teacher 1. Virgilia A. Navarro, teacher 3. And Gracia B. Olivo, teacher 1. Jonathan E. Baslote, teacher 1. Annabelle A. Baslote, LGK teacher. Catherine M. Calisto, LGK teacher. Josephine C. Villas, LGK teacher. Roderick M. Burnett, LGK teacher. And Manuela Boyzer, teacher 1. Ladies and gentlemen, let's